Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. Just thought I'd share a quick video in relation to phone mirroring on the factory screen. We get a lot of calls regarding this sort of upgrade. So what we've done is, this is the original Mercedes. In this particular case, it's a V-Class 2018. All the original screen for the Mercedes. Let me just unlock my phone so I've got it connected there as well. So what we've done is we've got an interface. It's mounted behind the scenes so you don't actually see anything, and we've basically wired it all through, and we've left a nice long cable here which is connected through a HDMI lightning adapter for the iPhone, and there's my phone just there. It's on the screen there. So basically you can just scroll along, you can choose whatever you want. It literally mirrors your phone, works whilst you're driving as well, strictly for passenger viewing only. So let me just go to the maps, so you can use the maps on here as well, there, and if you turn it sideways you get the full screen as well. Also a lot of inquiries for YouTube, so I think I've got YouTube just there we go. So let's just play a little trailer for you. So that's working all whilst you're driving. There you go. Bit of Maverick there. And okay, so let's just take that off now. Right, okay, so you can actually control the volume through the steering wheel controls just here as well. Everything remains the same. If you want to go back to the original Mercedes operating screen, what you do is you just hold this back button here for 3 seconds, and you see it flick back over. All right, and you're back to the normal Mercedes screen. And you do the same when you want to flick over to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Supports both mirroring. If you're interested in getting this done on your Mercedes, then get in contact with us on the details below. We do it on, it's not just Mercedes we do it on a lot of cars, BMWs, Range Rovers, Jaguars, you know, Fords, etc. You don't want to change the original screen. We can integrate into it. We can also offer reversing camera solutions if you haven't got that on your factory screen as well. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.